You see these high-end brands selling for hundreds of dollars, sometimes thousands on creative marketplaces? By the end of this video, you are going to be able to create a complete professional-grade brand kit just like them, using nothing but AI. We aren't just making a logo today, we're building an entire visual identity from the ground up. We're pushing Gemini's Nano banana image model to its absolute limits to build a luxury identity that looks like it cost a fortune. If you've ever felt like you lacked the design skills to launch a professional business, this is for you. Let's not waste a single second. Here's exactly how we do it. I've decided to create a brand kit for a luxury home fragrance brand called Vellum. For a premium brand like this, the goal is silent luxury. We need an identity that feels expensive, minimalist, and timeless. To start, we're heading straight into Gemini. The quality of your brand depends entirely on the quality of your prompt, so we're going to be very specific. Type this into the chat. A minimalist typographic logo for a luxury home fragrance named Vellum. Elegant sans serif font, dark sage green text on a cream background, vector style, high contrast, clean lines, organic luxury vibe. The result we get back is stunning. It's a modern, clean look with a beautifully weighted font that immediately signals high-end quality. But here's a pro tip. A brand needs more than just a full name logo. You also need a favicon, that tiny icon you see in browser tabs or as a profile picture. To get this, don't start over. Simply ask the AI to generate the favicon of the logo, just the letter V. Now we have the V of Vellum perfectly isolated. This ensures that whether your brand is on a massive billboard or a tiny smartphone screen, it remains instantly recognizable. Now that we have our core assets, we need a place to house them. To stay organized like a professional design agency, we're heading over to Canva. Click Create a Design and select Custom Size. Set it to 1920 by 1080 pixels. This is our canvas for the Vellum official brand kit. Title this project clearly. I want you to drag and drop your AI-generated logo and that V favicon onto the first page. Label them with clean text. This page is now your source of truth. As your brand grows, you will always refer back to this specific page to make sure every new advertisement, social media post, or product label stays 100% consistent. Consistency is the difference between a hobby and a professional brand. Next, we move into the brand fundamentals. Colors aren't just aesthetic, they're psychological. For a luxury fragrance brand, we want sage green to represent organic freshness and cream to represent high-end elegance. To expand this into a full palette, use this prompt. A cohesive color palette for the logo you just designed, considering color psychology, harmony, and versatility. The AI will generate 5 harmonious colors that work together. In Canva, create 5 simple rectangles and use the color picker tool to grab the exact shades from your AI image. Most importantly, type the hex codes, those 6-digit codes, underneath each rectangle. This is a crucial step. If you ever hire a web developer or a printer, they will need those exact codes to ensure your brand colors don't look off on different screens. Now let's talk about typography. A brand's font tells a story before the customer even reads the actual words. I asked Gemini for a detailed font guideline, including font type, size, weight, and spacing. The AI suggested a display serif style. In Canva, I recommend searching for Playfair Display. It's a classic, elegant font that matches our Vellum vibe perfectly. Set up 3 examples on your board: regular, medium, and bold. This hierarchy ensures your titles and body text always look organized and professional. This is the part that usually costs thousands of dollars in studio fees. We need hero shots, the images that actually convince people to buy. For a luxury candle, we need a prompt that describes lighting, texture, and environment. Try this. A luxury home fragrance candle product shot for the brand Vellum. The logo Vellum printed on a cream label placed on a marble surface next to fresh eucalyptus branches. Soft natural light, sage green and cream tones, warm and organic atmosphere, editorial lifestyle product photography. The result is incredible. The Nano banana model handles the reflections on the glass and the texture of the marble with extreme realism. But what if you decide to launch a secondary scent? You don't need a new photo shoot. Use this prompt. Advise on how to change the main color of a product shot to match the secondary color hex code #F0E6DB. The AI will effortlessly swap the tones, giving you a flawless second variant of your product line in seconds. This allows you to scale your product catalog without any extra cost. To make the brand feel real, we need to show the product in the world. We started with a nature setting, a high-quality image of the product placed in a natural setting with trees and a clear blue sky. This connects the fragrance to the organic ingredients. But humans buy from humans. We need a model shot. I used a prompt for a woman holding the product in her hands with a tense, focused expression. Why a focused expression? Because it creates a contractive, intense atmosphere that feels like a high-fashion, cinematic advertisement. This kind of imagery is perfect for high-impact social media ads, where you only have 2 seconds to grab someone's attention. Modern branding is more than just looking pretty. It's about storytelling. We gave vellum a soul by creating a mascot. I prompted, create a mascot for this brand that effectively embodies its identity. This mascot adds a layer of personality that you can use on thank you cards, packaging inserts, or even as a profile character for your customer service bot. We even went a step further and generated recipe merch, visualizing what our brand would look like on tote bags or aprons, and even memes to keep the brand relatable and shareable on social media. This builds what we call brand lore, making the company feel established and lived in. Before we wrap up, we need to see how the brand lives in the real world. I asked Gemini to create a screenshot of an Instagram grid for the brand Vellum. Seeing the grid all at once is the ultimate test. It proves that the colors, the fonts, and the photography all work together in a beautiful, cohesive harmony. If the grid looks good, the brand is ready. We even pushed the AI to generate a physical storefront facade and a website landing page. Even if you're not opening a physical store today, having these assets helps you visualize the future. It gives you a roadmap for your website design and your physical packaging. The last step is to bring everything back into Canva. Create new pages for product layouts and web references. Drag and drop all your final images, resize them so they look neat, and export the entire document as a PDF. You have just gone from a simple idea to a full-scale professional luxury brand in record time. I was honestly blown away by the level of quality we achieved using just the Nano banana model on Gemini. Now you have a brand kit that stands up against the biggest names in the industry. If you found this workflow helpful and want to see more AI-driven design secrets, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. I'm always looking for new challenges, so if there's a specific digital creation topic or a specific brand style you want me to tackle next, let me know in the comments below. I read every single one of them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.